Hello and welcome to this short yoga flow for when you're limited on time or limited on space. No props are necessary for this particular practice, but if you use them regularly, just having them nearby. Otherwise, I'm going to begin to invite you to come into your easy seated position. And as and when you do arrive, we'll take the hands onto the thighs or the knees, and we're going to begin to circle and spiral the spine. And just easing into this brief flow. And if you'd like, just beginning to explore that movement on the side of the bodies. So you might begin to sway and circle. And we'll begin to take the shoulders over the hips. And then we'll begin to take the arms out in front, then up towards the sky, stretching the fingertips away from each other. And we'll begin with a gentle twist. So taking your left hand towards that right shin near your thighs, the right hand begins to come behind. We'll begin to gently release the twist, hands coming back up in front, fingertips going up towards the sky. And we'll take that twist on the opposite side. Tenting up the back hand, if we want to bring the earth a bit closer. And beginning to gently release the twist, we're going to come into a gentle forward fold. So walking the hands forward, you might stay up on the fingertips, maybe you explore the forearms, you're beginning to melt. We'll begin to walk the hands back towards our lap. And what we're going to begin to do is take this right leg out to the side. Maybe the sole of the foot comes in towards that right thigh. And what we're going to begin to do is take the hands to frame that right foot and walking, hinging. Your hands may come along the leg. Maybe you grab hold behind the thigh or the foot itself. Not forcing. And beginning to lift the torso up. With the support of your hands, we'll begin to bend that right knee, planting the right foot down, and the right arm beginning to come onto the inside. So we're taking a similar to a seated sage-like pose. So taking the right arm onto the inside, left hand can come to the knee, maybe out to the side. And beginning to bring that left hand back. We'll begin to bring that right foot down, and we'll begin to take the left foot out to the sides. And again, hinging, flowing down. We'll begin to lift the torso up with support, bending that left knee, left arm coming onto the inside, and it might be quite near the thigh, calf, maybe to the ankle. Again, your choice with the right hand, opening up the chest, taking your twist. And we'll begin to gently release the twist. So we'll begin to open up that left knee. We're going to begin to come into a butterfly pose. We're going to take the soles of the feet. Maybe they're hovering, contact more of a diamond, or maybe a triangle. Bring the heels in a little bit closer. And we're going to begin to hinge. So leading with the chin, maybe the elbows come along the inner thighs or in the space that you've made. Just softening the face and the jaw. Beginning to lift the torso up. And we'll begin to take the hands underneath the thighs, soles of the feet. We're going to begin to invite the forehead towards the knees, tucking the chin towards the chest, rounding the spine. If you want to take this a bit further, maybe you begin to lift the heels, so the balls of the feet in contact with the earth. And gently releasing the heels, lifting the torso. Casually beginning to come back through to your easy seated position. Beginning to circle or spiral the spine. Just seeing if we have a little bit more space than we did at the beginning of the practice. We'll begin to bring the shoulders over the hips. Inviting you to take the hands here at the heart and bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your practice and your well-being. And thank you for joining me for this short yoga flow, a flow that you can practice when you're short on time or limited on space. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the playlist in the description, and I'll see you again soon.